Have you ever wondered just how many people are actually using StashAway? Is it a small, niche platform or a bustling financial hub? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. StashAway, a popular investment platform, has steadily gained traction in recent years. It's a user-friendly platform that allows individuals to invest in various asset classes, from stocks and bonds to ETFs. But just how many people have actually embraced this platform? The challenge of exact numbers. Unfortunately, StashAway, like many private companies, doesn't publicly disclose its exact user numbers. This makes it difficult to pinpoint an exact figure. However, we can gather insights from various sources to estimate the platform's popularity. Indirect indicators of user base. App Store ratings and reviews. The number of downloads and reviews on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store can give us a rough idea of the platform's user base. While these numbers don't directly translate to active users, they provide a valuable indicator. Social media engagement. StashAway's active presence on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn can provide clues about its user base. The number of followers, likes, and comments on their posts can give us a sense of the platform's reach and engagement. Media coverage and partnerships. The amount of media coverage and partnerships StashAway has garnered can also indirectly indicate its popularity. Positive press and strategic collaborations can attract new users and boost the platform's visibility. Industry trends and reports. Industry reports and surveys on investment platforms can provide broader insights into the market. While these reports may not specifically mention StashAway, they can give us a sense of the overall growth and adoption of digital investment platforms. Estimating the user base. While we can't provide an exact figure, it's clear that StashAway has a significant user base. The platform's popularity is evident from its strong social media presence, positive reviews, and media coverage. It's important to note that the user base is likely to continue growing as more people become interested in investing and seek convenient, user-friendly platforms like StashAway. While the exact number of StashAway users remains a mystery, it's clear that the platform has attracted a substantial following. Its user-friendly interface, diverse investment options, and strong brand reputation have contributed to its success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.